Dear friend, today in this video I will discuss about what is insurance deductible, and first of all I will discuss about what is insurance, and later on I will discuss about types of insurance, and the main topic is that what is insurance deductible. This will be this whole discussion for your basics to advanced knowledge about the insurance deductible. So hope so this video will be very helpful for you. Before starting video, I will request you please subscribe my YouTube channel, and do like and comment on my videos, and also share my videos to your friends and family. So let's start video. First of all, you have to write what is insurance. So later on we will discuss about deductible insurance. Search the icon, and first of all, an agreement by which a company or the state undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for the specific loss, damage, illness, or death in return for the payment of a specified premium. On basically, insurance means agreement between a client and a company that providing insurance for your home, for your car, and think that you are offering for your insurance. This insurance can be for your car, your home, your health insurance, or so on. Later I will discuss about the different types of insurance. So basically, insurance is a agreement company or the state undertakes to provide guarantee of the compensation for specified loss, damage, sudden damage, or death, return of payments for specific premium. So this is a insurance is way to manage your risk. When you buy insurance, you purchase a protection against unexpected financial losses. The insurance company pay you or someone you choose if you something bad happen to you. If you have no insurance and an accident happens, you may be responsible for all related costs. So later, what do you mean by insurance? Types of insurance. So insurance is legally contraction between person and insurance. Insurer promise to provide financial protection against unforeseen events for a certain price. So types of insurance are life insurance, and general insurance, and so on. Critical family floater insurance, critical illness coverage, senior citizen health insurance, group health insurance, automatic insurance, automobile insurance, car insurance, bike insurance, commercial vehicle insurance, public liability coverage, standard fire, life insurance, and term life insurance. So most of the types of insurance are discussed in these videos. The major topic is that what is insurance in deductible. So the amount of you pay for the coverage healthcare service before your insurance plan started to pay within a $200 deductible. For example, you pay to first $200, $2,000 covered services yourself. After you pay your deductible, you usually pay only a payment. So purpose of deductible insurance policies ensures measures of financial stability on the part of the insurer by reducing the severity of the claims. So understanding your insurance deductibility enables know your deductible work to prevent money. So this is video is about insurance deductible, and hope so this video is very helpful for you. I will meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.